you're gonna want to see this in action because it is a hang tag attaching gun. It's a plastic little spring action trigger, the whole handle. You load all of your hang tags in here in a clip. You've got 5,000 box of hang tags to refill. They just load in the top. But I'm going to show you how it works. You take off the protective cap. Whoop, you got the needle. It's a hollow needle that shoots the hang tag through. I've got a hang tag here to demonstrate. So you poke it through, okay, the hole in the hang tag. Find the spot on your garment that you want to put it. I'm just going to stab it through this tag, okay. Pulling the trigger, it pops the little plastic piece through, and then pull that out, and now this is attached. Works great. So definitely get yourself one of these if you're looking to attach hang tags, price tags, care tags, whatever. Great value, functions like it should. Lots and lots, 5,000 of the little plastic attachers. So definitely a good product, works as it should.